गाइस वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल हारी द मरीनर यूट्यूब चैनल में दोस्तों आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है। नाउ इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक रिगार्डिंग एग्जॉस्ट गैस सेंसर, दैट इज द टर्बो चार्जर। नाउ यू कैन सी हियर this is our main engine mimics, you can see, and we have problem with this turbocharger sensor. You can see turbocharger exhaust gas inlet sensor number 1. Okay, we have problem and alarm is given here. Okay, so temperature is very high, that is 916. It should not be like this. Now engine is stop, it should be 81.1 degree. Okay, so we will check what is the problem. First of all, we will replace the sensor, and after that I will show you how the problem will be rectified. Okay, what is the problem with this old sensor also I will show you. Now we will show you where is the sensor. Let's go. टर्बो चार्जर में ले लो। हाँ, आ जाओ इधर आ जाओ। Now we are going to the turbocharger number 1. This is turbocharger number 2 of the main engine. This is the turbocharger number 1. This is the inlet sensor, exhaust gas inlet sensor. We have problem with this sensor. And this is the exhaust gas turbocharger outlet sensor. So we will replace this sensor, and in workshop I will explain you what is the problem with this sensor. Guys, after disconnecting the connection from the sensor, I will check resistance of this sensor. If I found 110, 150 between 2 and between another 2, you can see here there are three legs, 1, 2 and 3. If this 2 is shorted, here cannot see properly. This 2 is shorted, so you will get maybe 1.2 or 2 point something. You see, I am not getting anything. And if I check with this, because this is not shorted, this should be between this and between this should be 115 according to the temperature. Okay, if temperature increases, resistance also increases. I cannot get any resistance, it means that this sensor is faulty. Okay, so I will replace this sensor. So guys, this is the new sensor from my store. Okay, so what is the specification given here? You can see that type is PTR SD, and how much temperature capacity it is sensing to the 600 degree Celsius. Okay, and the PT100 you already know, PT100. Okay, this is the serial number, and this is the maker company made in Japan. The standard sensor. So that I already explained you that old sensor I am not getting any resistance from the old sensor, but now you can see in the new sensor I will show you how to check this one. Now you can see these 2 terminals are shorted here, 1 and 2. Okay, and this is the another 3rd terminal. Okay, so in between 2, if I check the resistance in between 2, I will get maybe something 1.2 or 1.3. Okay, 0.5, 0.1. Okay, that is the good. And now I am checking with the other. Okay, other terminal, you can see must be 115 like this. Okay, 113. and it is depends on the atmospheric temperature. If temperature of the probe is increases or atmosphere temperature is increases, so the resistance also will get increased. Okay, so we found that the old sensor is defective, and now we will replace with this new sensor and check alarm will disappear or not. Okay, thank you very much. Guys, I cannot understand which one is the common and which one is the shorted in this old type of sensor. So I remove the connection from here, and I understand that I check the resistance between, this is 1, you can see I write here number 1 and number 3. Number 1 and number 3 is the shorted, okay, because I get only 0.5 ohm, and number 1 and 2 I get 115. So 1 and 2 is not shorted, so 1 and 3 is shorted. Okay, so once I check resistance 1 and 2 I get 115, and 1 and 3 I get only 0.5. so I check again 3 and 2, so again I will get 115 ohm. Okay, so I decided that number 2 is the common, and these 2, 1 and 3 are the shorted. You can see in the new sensor. Here you can see this is number 2 is the common, and 1 and 3 is the shorted. But here the numbering is different. This is number A and this is B and C. So B and C is shorted. So number A is the common. So I decided that this is the common to the number 2, that is the A, and this number 1 and number 3 is shorted. Okay, so once I make sure that, then after that I will connect the connection and check the alarm will disappear or not. Okay, now you can see here alarm is disappear. Turbocharger exhaust gas inlet temperature is also okay. Turbocharger exhaust gas inlet 320, and you can compare with number 294. Okay, so both are almost same, and problem was rectified. Okay, thank you very much.